Hi, I'm Daria.
And I'm Deanna.
Welcome to our home in Midtown East. We'd like to walk you through our home renovation project. We've been living in Sutton Place for the last 7 years and knew this is where we wanted to stay. It's close to our office, close to the heart of the city, yet the further east you go, it provides a quiet suburban-like atmosphere that we were after.
When we first saw this apartment online, we saw that it had been sitting on the market for over a year, and that was due to the fact that the layout was like a jigsaw puzzle and that it hadn't been touched since the 80s. However, we both saw long-term potential in the fact that we could turn this into a 2-bedroom. So fast forward 2 years later, we did a gut renovation, and today we have a comfortable 2-bedroom apartment, the master being 12 by 14, the second bedroom being 9 by 11. We have a 7 by 10 walk-in closet, and we have a bathroom that has a 20 square foot walk-in shower. In total, the apartment's about 700 square feet, and surprisingly, we have a lot of storage and a decent sized kitchen that has a wraparound counter and a wine rack. Our favorite part of the apartment are our dining room doors. If we had got them custom made, they would have been a few $1,000s. However, we got doors from Lowe's, had someone make the X designs, and had our contractor assemble them for a fraction of the cost.
Since we were doing gut renovation, we knew we had the freedom to do what we wanted in the kitchen. What was really important to us was that we had full-size appliances and a great space to cook and entertain, which we love doing. We kept the colors pretty neutral in here, but knew that we needed a pop of color, which is what drew us to this backsplash, which is true to our style.
Initially, to keep costs down, we were going to keep the wood floor that was in the apartment, but when we started demolition, we quickly realized that wasn't a possibility. It was a thin wood veneer and it started to warp. My sister and I decided that we would put hardwood flooring down because it's practical, it's easy to clean, and it's great for resale value. The original footprint of this bathroom is extended, and we decided to keep it in order to accommodate a 20 square foot walk-in shower. We put the handle on the opposite side of the shower head so you don't get wet walking in. And to keep costs down, we put subway tile on the wall, but to make it a little richer looking in here, we decided to do a marble floor.
Welcome to one of my favorite places in the apartment, our closet. After looking at numerous apartments, we realized that the master bedroom was always too large. The first thing we thought of was a giant walk-in closet, which was everyone's dream in Manhattan.
We took advantage of the 70 square foot closet by putting a workspace, our shoes, our clothes, and even our jewelry. But the best part is that these units can easily be taken down, so you can comfortably fit a daybed or even a couch. We couldn't be happier with the outcome of our apartment. We hope you enjoyed this tour, and good luck on your renovation.